In this video, you will learn how to stake XRP on the Flare network, set up a composable wallet, download and install a crypto wallet that supports the Flare network and XRP. This could be MetaMask or Flare integration. Fund your wallet with XRP. Transfer XRP from your exchange or another wallet into your Flare supported wallet to prepare for staking. Connect to the Flare network. Switch your wallet network settings so Flare can interact with your blockchain features. Choose a staking platform or delegation option. Open a staking or delegation section within your wallet or the Flare portal, then select a delegation pool. Enter the amount of XRP you want to stake. Decide how much XRP you want to stake, then confirm the transaction details carefully. Confirm and monitor rewards. Approve. Approve the staking transaction in your wallet, then track your staked XRP and rewards through the Flare dashboard. Now you know how to stake XRP on the Flare network. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.